Are you looking for a powerful, ultra-compact tool to tackle tight space grinding? The Bosch 12V Max Brushless Right Angle Die Grinder might just be the solution for you. Engineered to combine efficiency with portability, this tool is ideal for pros needing precision without the hassle of a bulky tool. Let's dive into what makes this Bosch grinder a smart addition to your toolkit. The Bosch stands out for its right-angle design and compact form, crafted for comfortable handling in challenging, confined work areas. Its low weight of 1.2 pounds reduces hand and arm strain, making it a practical choice for extended projects. The tool's ergonomic small-diameter grip is easy to handle, while the design minimizes fatigue, crucial for detail-oriented grinding tasks. Additionally, the spindle lock simplifies accessory swaps, which streamlines work and limits downtime. The Bosch delivers versatility through its variable speed trigger, allowing precise control across a range of applications. It includes 5 distinct speed settings, giving users flexibility from light polishing to aggressive material removal. A color-coded LED interface displays battery charge, speed level, and tool status, which offers at-a-glance feedback. The brushless motor enhances performance and battery efficiency, ideal for jobs requiring extended runtime. It also includes overload protection to automatically power down the tool if resistance spikes, safeguarding both user and machine. When compared with similar 12V die grinders from brands like Milwaukee and DeWalt, Bosch's excels in compactness and ergonomic ease. Milwaukee's die grinder, for example, offers similar power, but Bosch's model is lighter and better suited for extended use in confined spaces. While DeWalt's offerings often have slightly higher RPMs, Bosch's added safety features such as overload protection and the spindle lock set it apart in terms of safety and convenience. The Bosch is priced competitively for a premium compact die grinder, often listed around $160 for the bare tool and approximately $229 as part of a kit with 2 3-amp-hour batteries. Given the high build quality, safety features and precision, it provides solid value for professionals and serious DIYers alike. You can find it on Amazon. Check the link in the video description. Let's outline the main pros and cons of this model. Cons: limited power for heavy-duty grinding. No battery included in bare tool purchase. Slightly higher price. Pros: ultra compact and lightweight. Brushless motor, adjustable speed with LED feedback. Overload protection. Quick accessory changes. If you're ready to add a high-performing portable grinder to your toolbox, consider the Bosch. Click the Amazon link in the description to check it out, and don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews. Let us know your thoughts on this grinder in the comments.